the Shanghai factory, which is located east of the Huangpu River in the Pudong area, halted production on March 28 when the authorities initiated citywide lockdown measures to tackle a surge in COVID-19 cases. A request for comment from Tesla and the Shanghai authorities was not immediately returned. However, ongoing production at the plant may be hampered by difficulty obtaining car parts, as China's COVID restrictions have significantly disrupted logistics in the city and nearby areas. According to calculations based on internal output plans seen at the factory, the latest suspension was the longest since it began production in late 2019 and resulted in an output loss of more than 50,000 units. Local officials have given their okay to the plan to resume manufacturing, but it might yet alter depending on how the epidemic situation in the city develops, according to the persons who did not want to be identified because the matter is private. Tesla TSLA.O is ready to resume production at its Shanghai facility on Monday after receiving approval from local authorities, according to two individuals familiar with the situation. According to one source, the American automaker planned to start with one shift and progressively increase the number of shifts. On Thursday, He Xiaopeng, the chief executive officer of Chinese electric car producer XPeng 9868.HK, stated that if suppliers in Shanghai and adjacent areas are unable to resume work, automakers in China may be forced to halt production in May.